This video features the installation procedure for our CX-DA800 and CX-DA810 battery-powered door alarms. Inside the package, you will find the manual, battery-powered door alarm, door sticker, cylinder ring tool, system battery, and installation hardware. To install the door alarm, you will need a drill bits, low-voltage wire connectors, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, voltage meter, wire strippers, pliers, and electrical tape. You will also need a hacksaw if your installation requires the removal of weather stripping to accommodate the magnetic door contact. Cut and remove a 1.5-inch section of weather stripping if required. Drill the holes to mount the magnet using a 7/64-inch drill bit. Position the door alarm so that the bottom of the unit is approximately 5 feet from the floor. Slide open the key lock cover and insert the key. Continuously rotate the key counterclockwise to unscrew the mounting backplate. Place the mounting backplate near the door edge and mark the mounting holes. The notch guides on the backplate should be 3/4 of an inch away from the edge of the door frame and align center to center with the magnet. Drill the mounting holes using a 7/32-inch drill bit. Attach the mounting backplate using the supplied number 14 1-inch self-drilling screws. Attach the magnet using the supplied number 6 1¼ inch self-drilling screws. The magnet must align with the door alarm correctly. The maximum space between the magnet and the side of the door alarm should be a 1/2 inch. Install the door alarm by first aligning the bottom of the housing with the catch on the mounting backplate. Continuously rotate the top key clockwise to re-secure the door alarm. Turn the cylinder key counterclockwise to the on position to arm the door alarm. With the door closed, the red LED flashes twice immediately when you turn the key to the on position. You will receive confirmation the door is armed when the green LED flashes for 15 seconds, and then the red LED flashes and the audible alert sounds 3 times. The red LED continues to flash every 3 seconds, indicating the door alarm is active and armed. Remember to toggle the JP3 jumper to the on position to ensure the LED lights continue to operate, indicating the door alarm is armed or disarmed.